And the Y is always going to look like this. We just need to remember, is it going to have an equals underneath or is it going to stay like that? All right, so we continue. No, 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 stop. Okay, where was this one at? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 6. Now look, open circle means nothing underneath. On the left-hand side, we got a closed one, so you need to make sure you put that line underneath there. Now the Y, you go from down to up. So you go, where is the first point that the graph starts? No, 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 stop! Right there. So that's at 1, 2, no, wait a minute, the X is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6. Okay, negative 6. Now look, anytime the point hits that number, it's always going to be included. So you got to put that line already. And then we keep going up. No, 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 no. Stop. And now we're at 1, 2. So this is a point that's at 2. Once again, it hits 2. So we're going to put the line underneath. Oh boy, this looks really hideous. But there's a line underneath. And that's your range for that one. Then the next one. All right, we're going on 20 minutes of a video. This is nice, absolutely fantabulous. Same thing. We're gonna go from left to right for the domain. Let's set it up. X in the middle. These two guys, Y. These two guys, boom. Now, these ones don't have numbers, so it's a little bit harder. So we go from the left to the right. No, 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 no. Stop! So it's right here. So we're at negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6. Closed circle. Put a line. And we're going to continue. Stop! Right there, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, is that closed or open right there? That is an open circle. So we leave it like that. Very good. Now we do the Y. We go up. Stop! So right here is where we stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at negative 5. Closed circle again, see that? So a little line. Now we keep going. Stop! Boom, up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So up 4. Open circle. So you don't do anything, you leave it just like that. Done. Diego, those stops were for you. Okay. The next ones, these are really easy, guys. This is the vertical line test. Remember what I told you? The only thing we're looking for is, does this pencil hit more than once on the graph at the same point? Yeah, look. If I scoot it over, it hits on the top and the bottom. So that's not a function. Because anytime it hits more than once, you're done. That's it. Now we've got the next one, which is the circle. Well, obviously, boom, there we're hitting more than once. We're to hit once here and once here. So this is not either. Now look at this one over here, though. It's just going, I'm going 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is a yes. Cool to drool? We good? 19 minutes. Yay, buddy. We are doing super well. Next. Okay, these are hard. I'm not going to lie. The next ones are a little bit difficult. All right, so the first one, I'm going to read it to you. It says you have a function f of x equals 3x plus 1. It's restricted to a domain interval of -3, and you can see that on your own paper, which is less than x, and then that one is less than 3. Is the domain over the interval continuous or discrete, and what is the range of the function? Well, it never ends, or it in between that interval it doesn't end. So then that means it's a continuous function because we're not looking at points. So it's continuous. First answer. So whatever they give you, if they give you anything discrete, just mark it right out. Now f of x, don't forget that's y. So we have our function from -3 to +3. So we're going to actually have to distribute the -3, and we're going to have to distribute the +3 in here. And because these were without the line underneath, our y's are going to be without the lines underneath. So here we go. Can I zoom this out a bit more? Yes. Oh, yay, buddy. All right. Now we're cooking, good looking. All right. So we've got y equals 3x plus 1. Because remember, we want to write our y in this format where y is in the middle, and then you got it like that. So we're going to take -3, which is over here first. -3, and then we're going to do 3. So x at -3. So y is equal to 3 times -3 plus 1. Okay, that's equal 3 times -3 is -9, plus 1 is -8. So this is at -8. So that's your left-hand side. And then when we do it where y is +3, so y is equal to 3 times 3 plus 1, that is going to equal, well, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 gives me 10. So on the other side, boom, it's 10. So this is your range. And we already said it's continuous. It's not points. It's a function that goes on and on. They just decided, okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a little piece out of it, and that's where we're going to go with it.